What's up, you guys? Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you the best 2 ways you can clean a dirty beauty blender, like you can see right here. These methods that I usually use interchangeably, just depending on my mood. So if you'd like to see how to thoroughly clean this beauty blender, please stay tuned. So the first thing I'm gonna do, you guys, is just take some regular liquid soap. Now, before you add the liquid soap to the beauty blender, you're just going to wet it with some warm water just to make sure that the beauty blender expands to its full size and soaks up all of the water. And now that it's wet, you could just take the liquid soap and pump a little bit onto the beauty blender. And what I'm doing here is I'm just rubbing the spot of the beauty blender that's the dirtiest with my thumb and just basically pushing all of the product out. So I'm massaging the beauty blender with my thumb to try to loosen up the dirt that's in there, and then I'm gonna rinse it. And as you see, most of it is going down the drain already. And you could just keep repeating that same process with adding the soap, rinsing it, and massaging out the product with your thumb until you see your beauty blender getting clean. Now we won't go back home today, until the very last hour. So when you see that most of the product is out, you always want to make sure that you squeeze all of the soap out of the beauty blender, because it's not going to be good to have buildup of dry soap in there when you want to put it on your face. Now you could see that most of the product is out of my beauty blender. So first I'm going to start again by wetting the beauty blender with some warm water, and this time instead of using the liquid soap, I'm going to be using the bar soap to clean out my beauty blender. Now after it's damp, you want to take the part of the beauty sponge that's the dirtiest and rub it into the back of the soap bar that has the little bump inside of it, and you just want to get it in there and really just scrub the product out of the beauty blender instead of using your hands this time. This method, in my opinion, it gets way more of the product out because it's basically just cleaning it from the inside out and really loosening up all that buildup. Why do I feel like I linger between the words to say the words to remember. Now we're here to take control over your body and over your soul. We're gonna take back everything. And that is the second method of cleaning your beauty blender. If you guys like this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.